They are my red wiggler, my near and dear friend. Let's see how they are doing. I haven't checked them for many days. Almost I was traveling 2-3. It has been like about 3 weeks, and it's ice here. It's all ice. It's very cold, and then the water is also ice here. So I want to see how they are doing. Oh wow, they are maybe all dead. I have no idea. So last time I did, since it was very hot, they're all their poop. I covered with this basmati rice bag. So I think it's helpful. Let me uncover. Oh, yeah, they're still not dead. Look here, they're. Hi, dear. I think they are like a almost frozen condition, but I don't think that they're dead. I gave this food. Oh, look. Oh, wow. I'm glad they are not dead, at least. I think they are doing fine. Wow. And then here too. Wow. You know, last time I found many of them dead, but look, I have a 2-3 types of red wiggler, red worm. They make compost here, and I put the compost all in the garden here. Such a naturally grown green leaf vegetables here. I put everywhere. Hi guys, you're doing great. Oh wow. And then I'm going to give them more food here, even though you have plenty food here. So let me give some more here. Right here. Oh, it's already so many stuff here. Maybe I want to save this one for another one. Okay, so let me cover. So I want to put this all is grass, leaves, so that it's hot for them and so that they don't die. I think this really worked good. It helps unfreeze here, and then I'm just putting this one right here. So I think they will be good now. So cozy for them. Then I'm also they don't want to come outside. They used to come outside a lot, and then what? It's icy here. Maybe only one for now, because I don't want to put too many right there. I want to put it here. Oh, all ice. As you can see, it's exact. The shape is so beautiful shape. So I just want to put here. So that's just. And then right here I have another big compost. I want to check how they are doing here. Maybe they are doing. I put all same thing. I made the cozy bed here. I don't know if there are any. They are going all the way somewhere. I don't see any. Maybe they are hiding somewhere. Let's check. Hi guys. Hey guys. Oh, yeah, right here. Yes or no? They ate all of their food here. Oh. Where are you? Right here. One. Right there. There were tons of them. I think they didn't die, I believe, because they went down because this is big. Oh, right there, right there. I see one little guy right there. Oh, here. Hey, guy. Yeah, all the way at the bottom. So the food, I think they're, because of the coldness, they were hiding themselves somewhere there. Yeah, but I'm glad they didn't die. Maybe some of them died before I didn't put this cozy bed for them. So, but still the winter is still on the way. I mean, there's still few more months. So I hope that they will survive through the winter. So let me put it back. We have a snow, ice. If they can make next year, I will do some other way, so that, yeah.